Hi, it's Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and it's almost official. We're entering into the silly season. What is the silly season? Well, it's when the markets just are plain silly, and they're going to be all over the place for the balance of the year. So very thin volumes lead to very erratic markets. But I want to show you today how we covered our position, our short position in the Dow, not because our overall trend has changed, but because we had a signal to do so. So I'm going to just draw a couple of things. What we're looking right now at, this is a weekly chart of the Dow, and as you can see, it's been pretty much, with the exception of a few things, been going down, but we've had some sort of sideways action here, and it appears that the downward pressure has somewhat abated. So let's take this off the charts and let's put our trade triangles in. Now our trade triangles are right here, okay? You can see them. There's little triangles we use to determine the timing for the marketplaces. So let's take this off, and here's our weekly charts, and these are the signals, the actual signals that members see on Market Club. And as you can see, this is a sell signal, market move down. This is a cover short position, not go long, and this is a sell signal. And finally on Monday of this week, this was a cover short position at 8831.35. Now this position from here to down here, basically that turned out to be a 21.78% move. So that's how much money you would have made or saved yourself with your portfolio. Now this move again was a profitable move, and for the most part we've caught most of the downdraft here in the Dow. Now it's not to say that the Dow won't go lower. The potential is still there because the major trend is still negative, but we may see, as we go into the silly season, more of a choppy market. So I'm looking for this market to maybe go further sideways and then resume itself to the downside in the new year. So let's take a quick look at another market. So just bear with me. So this is the Dow. We use monthly triangles for the trend and weekly for timing. And it all seems to work out very well. So the major trend remains negative for the Dow. We're out probably for the balance of the year, is my guess. The market would have to go below 8,000 again, and I'm not sure that's going to happen in the next 2 weeks in silly season. So let's take everything off the screen and go to a new chart. The chart we're now looking at is the spot gold chart, which we carry real time on Market Club. As you can see, we've had a couple of signals here. The latest, which was December 1st at 808.38, that was to exit the position that we put on here at 747.02. Very nice move up. We reestablished this position today on December 10th at 781.60. The gain from these two positions turns out to be a total of $8,795. That's trading one contract of NYMEX. Now that's not allowing for commissions or slippage, but certainly you can see the move. We got out here at 808. We reestablished the position here, which was some $27 lower, and the market's currently trading around 808.60. So again, we've caught the move up. It looks as though gold is finally starting to move up. This pullback here was right into support around the 62% level on the Fibonacci, which we've talked about on the blog. And if you go to our blog, you can just simply type in Fibonacci and it'll tell you all about how to use this very valuable tool. And we also have that tool available right here. So I'll just show you very quickly. You click on the high point, on the low point, and it shows you pretty much that was the period, a 62% retracement to look to establish any long positions if you're trading on Fibonacci. But this confirmed the deal on December 10th, which is today. You can see the date right here at 781. Market's currently trading at 806. Great move up. Looks like it wants to continue. Hey, this is Adam Hewison from Market Club. Why don't you get ready for the new year and join Market Club, because you'll catch a lot of moves like I've just shown you using our trade triangle technology right here. So it's very cool. It works. It will continue to work because it replicates human nature, and that's never going to change in the marketplace. So Adam Hewison for Market Club. I'll see you on the web.